Hey guys, welcome back to the session.
Today's our topic is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is here every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Before discussing that, what about prime number and composite number? Prime numbers means what? The numbers which are having the factors 1 and itself. And what about composite numbers? The numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Those are the composite numbers. And one is what? Neither prime and nor composite number. And what about 2 here? 2 is an even prime number. 2 is an even prime number. Here 1 is neither prime nor composite. And 2 is what? Even prime. And 3 is what? 3 is having what only? The factors are 1 and itself. That's why 3 is a prime number. Next, coming to the 4, here, for this 4 here, other than 1, one more factor is there. What is that here? 1 is a factor of every number. For this 4, we are having one more factor is 2. 2 and other factor is what? Itself. That is 2 and 4 are the factors. That's why this 4 is the first composite number. This 4 is the first composite number. Okay. And once see here, how can you write this 4 here? For example, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. That means here 2 is what actually? Even prime number. That means 2 is a prime number. How we are expressing this 4 here? Product of primes. That is, our theorem is what? Fundamental theorem is what? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. That's why this is a composite number and this is a prime number, and this 4 is expressing we are as a product of primes. Let us see one example, that is 36. This 36 we have to express as a product of primes. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 18s are 36. Next one is what? 2 9s are 18. Next one is what? 3 3s are 9. Once see here, (36) equals to, how you write this? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. This is a prime number, 2 is a prime, 2 is a prime, and 3 is also prime, and 3 is also prime. This is what? Product of primes. That is, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. And this factorization is what? Unique. Unique means what here? Always this 36 can be expressed as what here? 2 into 2, that is 2 square, and into 3 into 3, that is 3 square. This 36 is always expressed as 2 square into 3 square. That's why we say that this factorization is unique. This never changes. And next one is what? Apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Once here 36 equals to what? 2 square into 3 square. And also it can be written as what here? 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 also. Once see, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are what? 36. That's why apart from the order, that is, order is not important, but that's why apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. We have to write the composite numbers as a product of primes only, but order is not an important. Let us see one more example here, that is 210. This is also a composite number. That is, we have to write this as product of primes. For that, 2 ones are 2 and 0, 2 5s are 10. And next one is what? 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 1. And next one is what? 3 7s are 21. That is 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. Once here 210 is expressed as 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 into 7 is equals to 210. These are the product of prime numbers. That is, apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Once here, this is also expressed as what here? For example, I am writing this as 5 into 2 into 7 into 3. Or also you can written as this as 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. That is, order is not an important. You can write this as 2 into 5 into 3 into 7, or also 5 into 2 into 7 into 3, or 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. In any way you can write, but the factors are these only. What are the factors here? 2, 5, 3 and 7 are the factors of 210. Next one is express 2310 as a product of primes. 2310. That is, first with 2. 2 ones are 2. Here also 2 ones are 2. And here remaining is 1. That is 2 5s are 10. And remaining is 1. 2 5s are 10. And next one is what? With 5. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Next with 3. 3 7s are 21. And remaining 2. Again 3 7s are 21. Again with what? 7. 7 11s are 77. That is, here 2310 is expressed as what? 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 11. Let us see in other way also. That is 2310. Here first I am starting with 5. 5 is also a prime. 5 4s are 20. Remaining here 3. That is 5 6 are 30. Remaining here 1. That is 5 2s are 10. And here I am starting with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Next I am starting with 3. 3 7s are 21. And here also 3 7s are 21. 7 11s are 77. And this is also what? 5 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. And next 2310. That is with 7. 7 3s are 21. Here remaining is 2. That is 7 3s are 21. 0. Next with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10. And next with 5. 5 3s are 15. And here also 5 3s are 15 because remaining is here 1. Next 3 11s are 33. That is, here also 2310 is expressed as what? 7 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 11. Once you observe all these three here, which prime factors are occurs in this? 2 is a factor, here also 2 is a factor, here also 2 is a factor. In the same way, 5, 5, 5. And next one is 3, 3 and 3. And next one is 7, 7 and 7. And next one is 11, 11 and 11. That is what? But only the thing is what here? The prime factors are same, but order is different. Our order is different. Here 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 11. Here 5 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. And here 7 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 11. That is what here? Order is not an important part here. This number we can express as in different ways, but all are what? Prime factors only. All are prime factors only. That is, every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers, and this factorization is what? Unique. Unique means always this is same. This prime factorization is unique. Apart from the order, the prime factors occurs. Here next one is express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. In this first one is what? 140. 140. Solve this. That is 270 is 140. And next one is what? 235 are 70. That is 2 3s are 6, remaining is 1, 2 5s are 10. And next one is what? 5 7s are 35. That is 140 is equals to what? 2 into 5 into 7. That is how you write this here. 2 is repeated as how many times here? 2 times. That is 2 square into 5 into 7. 140 is expressed as 2 square into 5 into 7. And next one is what here? 156. 156. That is here. First with 2. 2 7s are 14. Remaining is here 1. 2 8s are 16. And next one is what? 2 3s are 6. Remaining is 1 here. 2 9s are 18. And next with 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. That is here 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That is 156 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 156 is a composite number, and this is expressed as what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Here 2 is repeated as twice. That is 156 is equals to, write it as 2 square into 3 into 13. And next one is what? 3825. Here first I am starting with 5. That is 5 7s are 35. Remaining is here 3. That is 5 6 are 30. Remaining is here 2. That is 5 5s are 25. Next also I am doing with 5 only. That is 5 1s are 5. Remaining is 2. 5 5s are 25. Remaining is here 1. That is 5 3s are 15. Now here remaining is what here? 153. That is I am taking here 3. That is 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. And next also I am doing with 3 only. That is 3 1s are 3. Remaining is 2 here. That is 21. That is 3 7s are 21. That is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. That is 3825 is expressed as a prime factors as what? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. That is once see here. Here 5 is repeated as how many times? 2 times. And here 3 is also repeated as how many times? 2 times. This is what? 17. That is 5 square into 3 square into 17. This 3825 is expressed as 5 square, 3 square and 17. These three are what? Prime numbers. That is product of prime numbers. In this way, you can do this 5005 and 7429 as homework and reply your answer in the comment section also.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.